Good morning, friends. It's been quite a while since I posted a new video, and today I thought I'd take you for a little walk through the garden. Many of you who follow me on Instagram already know that this past year brought a profound loss. My husband, my best friend of 34 years, passed away unexpectedly. For a long time, I simply wasn't ready to create. Some days it was enough just to put one foot in front of the other. But through it all, this garden became a place of comfort and healing. Every morning, I sit here with my coffee and watch the hummingbirds, butterflies, cardinals, and all the little signs of life that remind me to keep moving forward. Today, I'd love to share a few of the things that are blooming, growing, and inspiring me right now. So come take a walk with me. One of the things I love most about South Florida is the incredible color. The heliconias and lobster claws are putting on quite a show this season. These bold tropical blooms always remind me that nature is not afraid to be vibrant. Before we head into the garden, I always like to stop here for a moment. Fresh flowers at the entrance make every arrival feel special. Sometimes the smallest details can bring the greatest joy. This part of the garden has become one of my favorite spaces. It's a blend of native plants, Florida-friendly species, and a few pieces of art created from objects that might otherwise have been discarded. I've always believed that creativity isn't just about making beautiful things. It's about seeing possibility where others might not. This archway is covered with giant Dutchman's pipe and Florida muscadine grapes. The Dutchman's pipe supports the beautiful pipe-vine swallowtail butterfly, while the grapes provide fruit and a little bit of old Florida charm. It's one of those places where nature seems to do all the hard work for me. As we continue through the garden, you'll find mosaics, orchids, sculptures, and little surprises tucked into every corner. Gardens, much like life, are never truly finished. They're always growing, changing, and evolving. One of the joys of gardening in South Florida is being able to grow so many edible plants. Bananas, plantains, papaya, guava, pineapple are just a few, and there always seems to be something ripening somewhere in the garden. Of course, no tour of my garden would be complete without a visit from my four-legged helpers. They keep me company, supervise every project, and make sure I never spend too much time sitting still. This garden has carried me through some difficult days. It has reminded me that healing isn't something that happens all at once. Sometimes it happens one sunrise, one flower, and one season at a time. As the day begins to wind down, the garden takes on an entirely different personality. The light softens, the colors deepen, and everything seems to slow down. Some of my favorite moments happen right here, listening to the rain, watching the pool ripple, taking a deep breath, and simply being present. After everything this past year has taught me, I've come to appreciate these quiet moments more than ever. Thank you for taking this walk with me today. If you've been here for a while, thank you for your patience while I found my footing again. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm glad you're here. Until next time, keep creating, keep growing, and take time to enjoy the beauty around you. See you soon.